Hello little friends, today I am introducing letter A. Let's learn how to draw letter A. I am letter A. Now you know how letter A looks now. Let's see how letter A sounds. A. Repeat with me. A. Let's make some fun with the object start with letter A. Do you know what object is this? This is ant. Let's spin again. Do you know what object is this? This is alligator. Let's spin again. Do you know what object is this? This is astronaut. Let's spin again. Do you know what object is this? This is apple. Let's spin again. Do you know what object is this? This is arrow. Let's spin again. Do you know what object is this? This is almonds. Here we have it. Letter A.
Hello little learners. Today we are going to have blast learning all about the letter B. Are you ready? Let's jump right in it. Ball and bat, butterfly and birds, balloons and banana, bear and bees all start from letter B. Let's see how to write letter B. Now let's play the game to find the object start from letter B. B for butterfly. B for banana. B for bird. B for balloons. Here is letter B. Now we know all about the letter B. See you next time. Keep learning. Bye bye. Hello little friends. Today we are going to have blast learning all about the letter C. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Cat and cake, cow and car, carrot and candles, cookies and cherries all start from letter C. Let's see how to write letter C. Now let's play the game to find the objects start from letter C. Correct. C for cat. Correct. C for cake. is letter C. Now we know all about the letter C. See you next time. Keep learning.
Hello little learners. Today we are going to learn about the letter D. Are you ready? Let's begin. Dog and doll, duck and dolphin, diamonds and donuts, beer and door all start from letter D. Let's see how to write letter D. Now let's play the game to find the object start from letter D.
Correct. D for dog. Correct. D for donut. Correct. D for door. Correct. D for doll.
Here is letter D. Now we know all about the letter D. See you next time. Keep learning.